Alright you guys, another episode of Dark Garage. Just washed the Beamer, so had to stop here and get some drinks. She's looking so nice. Had to get some drinks, stay hydrated. That sounds loud. That's horrible. Need to fix that. Got the Aquafina, because you got to stay hydrated. I hear you TJ Hunt. That 2 for $4 deal, that's where it's at. Usually I be on the Venoms, but I had to go with the Monster. Alright, so we're about to get ready to go. Put y'all right up here. Dash cam mode. And let's get ready to go. See you there in a bit.